All right. What does this mean? We're back. We are back, and today we're making a website. Um, so last time, I got some good progress. I want to explain, exactly kind of how I went about it, because it's so stupidly straightforward. Straight up, I was in ChatGPT and I was like, "Yo, how can I make a website here? I want to create a website using AI. I want to make a static website and host it with GitHub Pages because then it's free. Then you don't need to buy, you don't need to pay for hosting or anything. What's the workflow to create a website like this, right? And then it just kind of explained to me more, how I would create a website theoretically. Um, that's not really what I wanted. I didn't want to go through like the whole, setup and everything. AI should do that for me. I asked what AI is best for. Oh no, okay, yeah. And then I went over to Claude. And on Claude, so it's really you just ask the AI what to do, right? And then you're good. And then I went here and I just hit up create a template for a personal website for me. It should be simple and minimalistic and include square sections that you can click on to divide to dive deeper into every topic. It's a static website I'm going to host on GitHub Pages. It should have a Bordeaux red. It should have Bordeaux red as a accent color and white as the primary color. It should have an About Me section, a section called Zweisamkeit, which is my personal project, a section for a blog, and a section for services I offer. Every page should have placeholders for images. It should be modern and minimalistic and responsive for mobile devices. The main page should have a large upper third section that says Lino Rufaro and a contact button underneath that creates a drop down when clicked that will include my link tree and email. Right, the first it's that. I just want to put that out there, right? That's literally I did that. I did that and I had my page. Right? I just want to make that clear, right? I click on here, right? This is the page. Contact, link tree, example email, about me, right? I can go in here. I just want to I just want to make sure, like, I just want to make clear how stupidly simple that is. Because to me, this is insane, right? It has the animations. Yeah, right. So the website, it exists. You can go into the blog posts. I don't think you can open the blog posts, but that's fine. Services. And then, right, we had another iteration. This is beautiful. I thank the AI, right? You got to keep it friendly in case they ever take over, right? I think I'm increasing my chances here. Make it so that the background is gray, like the color of the blocks. Make it so that the blocks are Bordeaux and red and have a white animation when hovered above, like the current animation. Make the upper third background section Bordeaux as well, and make the contact button white and round the edges a bit more, because here could reach a tad bit rounder anyway. This is the second iteration. It didn't round the edges a bit more, but that's okay. Did it? Is this the second one? It is. No. Strange. There we go. Right? Rounded edges. Um, White animation. I gotta change that for sure. I could just make that white as well. I think on the website it wouldn't have this white border, but that's actually a bit much between this one. Um, but I'm also not the design goat. Then I was like, how will I be able to release new blog posts, right? And then they said Jacob would be the best for GitHub Pages because I want to make a blog. You know what I mean? Upload things regularly. GitHub Pages has a built-in support for Jekyll, a static site generator that makes blogging much easier. Write posts in Markdown files. Jekyll automatically generates the blog post. No need to manually update HTML each time. Just add a new MD file in a _posts folder. Here, how would I incorporate Jekyll into the page? You're doing nothing. You're doing nothing, bro. You're doing absolutely nothing. I just want to make it clear that, like, you don't gotta do stuff, man. You don't have to do stuff anymore. It's wild. Like, I was over there, right? I was hustling on the Odin project. Y'all saw me hustling on the Odin project. You don't gotta do all of that. I'm still gonna finish it. Right? Because I'm 58%. You know what I mean? I can't stop here. How much is even missing, my brother? Oh, that's not funny. That's not funny at all. But I'm gonna finish it, right? Anyway, and then it made me a Jekyll page. And now we're getting to what I'm actually gonna do, because I have 1.5 hours. I'm going to create the Jekyll page. So it has this. And I'm just hoping if I throw this into Jekyll, it'll look good. But I don't know how to use Jekyll. Put images in asset/images folder. Update your email link tree and index HTML. The site looks identical to what you had before. Jekyll runs automatically on GitHub Pages. No setup needed. What? Just push these files into your GitHub repo. What was Binted? For real? You know what I could imagine? I could imagine that Jekyll isn't as well documented, and so as a result, it couldn't program it that well. Do I already have this as an HTML? Personal website 3. All right. Now let's look at this. See, there shouldn't be a question mark there, but I don't know how to do it. You know, for a second, I'm like, yo, wait, fuck, I don't know how to do it. I just fucking ask. It's like that shit's crazy to me, bro. See, create new. I already have it here, website. This is where I stopped, exactly. New repository. Add file? No, this is the new repository. You know what? I think for the stream then, I'm going to go ahead and just do it completely again. Here, new repository. All right, I'm just going to call it website. Real. Oh, nope. It's not what I'm naming it. Do not check add a readme file. I had checked that last time, so it's good that we're doing this again. All right, create repository. Prepare your files on your computer. Create a new folder on your computer called My Website. Inside that folder, create this structure. See, this would be easier on Linux. What? Oh shit. See, that's what I'm saying. To do this, this is something I'd be doing on Linux. Oh no, it's not something I have to do on Linux. Okay, let's take this step by step. Good. So I'm just gonna go in here. Right, I'm gonna make it in a folder I always use. Okay. Layouts, posts, assets, config. Oh, that's not a folder. Oh, okay. See, how do I create a .yml? too easy. It's too I think it's actually, I don't know, I think it's literally too easy. But I think that's fine. I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna bother with that now. Let's look at this. So everything like until layouts is collections, a folder here. It's not. So everything until there. Gang. Gang. I don't even know. Oh. Which one? Which one is it? Ah, it's in layouts, the, okay. Oh my god. My brother. No. Okay, I gotta chill. Bro, this is a banger. Okay, but he doesn't include what song that is. Give me a sec. Some people are so nasty with it. Google couldn't recognize the banger. Crazy work, to be honest. Weak. That's what we're doing here, right? Because I remember, the crazy thing is I remember trying to do this and just feeling so criminally overwhelmed that I just didn't. You know what I mean? And if I think about it, bro, like how sad is that actually? Like, like I mean, you know, I could have been rocking a crazy blog. You know what I mean? And it's sad that I basically didn't. It's also kind of a bit sad that I was like that overwhelmed by it, but that's fine. Like I'm more okay with that. Um, my brother. Making sure you can hear me, bro. We've been here, we've done that. I'll do it every time. All right, so I mean, I have that now. Feeling pretty good. What I do now? I just got to rock it, right? Easiest. Why did they say recommended? I'm just asking why it's recommended. Why is using GitHub Desktop more recommended than using the website? All right. You must manually re-upload files every time. Now that does sound annoying. Easy. Gang, is this shit crazy? Is this shit just absolutely insane? I don't know. Cause I'm over here. I still can't believe it. You know what I mean? I can't. I don't even. I don't even. I. How, bro? How? How is this real? You know what I mean? I'm like, just. I don't know. Did it say I should give that folder a specific name? Like the parent folder, I guess? No. What you mean? understand. So then I would go into here. Okay, let's look at this. What did they say here? Click clone. I selected it. Okay. I can choose that. It'll go right here. I don't know about that. I don't know how legal that is. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna... No, bro. Just let me create a new folder, my brother. My brother. Yeah, there we go. Blurg. Blurg. Okay. My brother? Wait a second. How do they want me to copy it? Right, okay. Then I'll just open it separately here. Blur. No, now I moved them. Okay. So we just all I was doing was following these things here, right? I want to make that very clear. I this was up until now 0% brain energy was involved, right? I used 1% of my brain so far. Settings, right? It told me go to settings. I went to the settings. Click pages. Got you. All right. Deploy from branch. Yes, sirski. Root. Yerp. Okay. It's currently being built. Tamam. Sometimes you just gotta let it build. You know what I mean? Let it do its thing. And then I can add my custom domain, right? That's powerful. I didn't do that. I didn't do that. Let me actually go ahead and do that. Index. Okay. Oh, can I not change it here? What was my link tree? I think my link tree was just straight up. Does that also work? It does. Then I don't need that ugly ass HT. Mm-mm. Oh, up! It's already up. What's up with this? Is it still going at it? I'm gonna give it some time. Maybe it's still doing its thing, you know what I mean? But yo, like, it's up, you know what I mean? Like, Okay, that makes sense. I gotta, yeah. I'll do that. I'll do that. Right now it's not as important. But it's currently being built, right? So I just gotta be patient now. Man, shut the fuck up. Good? Is there much more to do now? Maybe. It looked a bit ugly just now, but that's fine. This might very well have just been it. Someone's winning with this. Right, but that shows it, you know what I mean? That it's still just it's going at it right now. Right? I mean in that case I don't really know how long to wait now. I'm gonna just look into my calendar and see what else there is to do. Write a LinkedIn post. All right, and I have a meeting in half an hour. I mean, yeah. That's new. This I don't really know how to deal with this. I'm gonna be absolutely honest. This is still just a bit wild. Anyway, yeah, this is good. This is kind of it. This is kind of it for me. GG's. I don't know. We definitely did something. Was this good work? Maybe. We made it happen. We made it happen. We made it happen. It's been some time since the stream. I got a bunch of things I learned in the meantime, especially around DaVinci Resolve. I'm going to make a video about that. Done some 3D editing stuff. I'm going to make a video about that. Stuff's coming up. We made it happen, as we often have, and we often will again. Goodbye.